Recently, I made a video about the Hamster Kombat Season 2, which was basically explaining what the whole Hamsterverse and the group of games is all about. Now, today we're going to be going the next level, which is into the next game which we can all play, which is already in the open beta, which is the Hamster Fight Club. But anyways, before going any further, I'm Inoko Kedere and welcome to another cryptocurrency video. Now, as you guys know already, we're going to be speaking about the Hamster Fight Club. Now, this one is the one that is very related to the meme that was posted on Twitter, connected with the US ministry spending lots of money funding and injecting hamsters with steroids to fight. Really crazy. But this is what, in a way, the game is based off the back of this, and it would also have the future, to be able to push the game forward on Twitter, on X, maybe tag Elon Musk one way or the other. But the game is also centered about this. I mean, that was what birthed the whole idea of the Hamster Fight Club. As you guys can see, I'm now on the homepage of the Hamster Fight Club. This is my character, and I've managed to get a couple of gear. So the game basically is about getting enough gear to be able to fight people. Now, for example, if I click battle over here, they're going to bring search for an opponent. Oh, this guy is pretty much high. He has the power is 521. Mine is 507. But I've stunned him, and it looks like I can. Oh, and I won the fight. Very, very close. Now, about winning the fight, I think it is totally random. The goal here is playing more games. That is the goal here. The goal here is playing more games and making some required challenges, which I'm going to show you guys right away. So currently now I've leveled up to level 4, and then I've gotten the chance to increase something on the skill tree. So we could come, let me see, what are we going to increase? Let's increase our critical attack, which will make us actually very stronger when we're fighting against enemies. But guys, this is what the home page looks like. Let's go back home to the lobby. Okay, we have something to open, and you can see we have market, inventory, lobby, skill tree, and glory. Now guys, this might be very, very important, because I believe that if Hamster Kombat is going to ever introduce NFTs into the games, the skins, the gear could be something you could sell at the end of the day. But of course, you could only sell the rare ones, the rare ones. And how can you do it right now to max out and be able to get one of those rare ones? Is you have to be completing all of the challenges. For example, tasks daily, it says play 30 matches. So try to play 30 matches. It's very easy. Just click tapping. Once one game is done, defeat or win, it doesn't really matter. But try to be doing this every day. Okay, so not every day, as if you're free. So play 30 matches. I've played 15 already, and we still have 20 hours to go. I'll probably finish these very, very soon. Win 15 matches, open 15 chests. So this is something you have to do so you can claim each of these points. Now the weekly goals to do them and claim all of those points, because it will help you to boost you very, 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 very high, and then you can get more critical, open more chests, get to a place where you can even get rare items. Now those rare items will be very, very important as NFTs later on, if you want to sell them. And if you sell them, you could sell them for real cash or tons, is my own opinion. Okay, but I saw something close to that on the page. I don't know if I could show you guys. 1 second. Let's go into tab news. Hamster Fight Club. You guys can see it says reach level 7 and get a guaranteed rare chest. Train your hamster, blah 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 blah. Coming soon. We're working on an NFT market with RMT, real money trading. So guys, I'm not just saying rubbish, it's backed. Okay, so that is just something that you guys can look at. Okay, it is something you can look at. But basically, You get lots of gear, you wear the gear, you wear all of this, you go keep fighting, fighting, fighting. And if you want to boost your achievements, one second, if you want to boost what you can get, you could buy, there's a park here, a starter park. Now, Hamster Kombat has finally introduced paying with stars into their ecosystem, which is very good and healthy. I find that very healthy, that in any Web3 platform that is going to earn you money at the end of the day, there should be an opportunity for the project to also have on-chain activity. It will help the Hamster token, it will help the Ton blockchain. So it's a big yes from me. But the way to do it now is the problem, okay? Things are not just black and white. For example, if every time it's forcing you to buy before you can play the game, or there's no way for you to rank up well without buying, that is the problem. Of course, you can do without this, and you could just play. You could keep playing, 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 and when your energy bar, which is the one up here, when it finishes, all you have to do is wait for a few seconds or a couple of minutes, and it will reload, and you can keep playing back. So guys, I think those are the first few things you need to know about this. That is the onboarding, okay, that you need to know. Now, when you come all the way to inventory, I've managed to get a lot of couple of gears, and then you can sell, or selling here is like burning the items. Many of you have played Bombi, many of you have played Doggators, many of you have played Ton Battle. It's all built around the same mechanism, okay? But this one is pretty easy to understand. I mean, this is what I love the Hamster verse, and their project interface is pretty simple, easy to understand, not chaotic. That's just what I love about it. And of course, if you come all the way here to burn items, look, it's showing me all of the items I can burn. If I click all of them, I could sell all of this now for 380. I don't know. I don't know what they call this thing, but let's just say 380 green pie. And then with that, you can use that to upgrade the gear you have already. For example, we have this staff, the arcane staff, or arcane staff. We have this medium metal armor. I could upgrade it if I sell all of those. Okay, so you understand, upgrading your gear makes your player much more strong to fight against other opponents. You win a game, you get a chest. You open a chest, you get more gear. So simple as ABC, rinse, repeat. That is why the key here is playing many games, which is why the most valuable thing for starters, if you want to spend your tons and your stars on this, the most valuable thing is increasing your energy. So you buy the refill with 400 stars, you get times 5. So you're going to get like 1,000 energy. Sorry, more than 1,000. Okay, more than 1,000. So I hope that with these few words of mine, I have been able to, just explain a few things. Now, questions are very, very welcome. If you have any questions, please just say it right away. In the next video I'm going to make about these things, if there's any updates, I'll answer all the questions, or rather, I'm going to reply all of the questions in the comment sections. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Make sure you have a very, very wonderful day, and see you in the next one. Peace.